was forecasting that at 7 o'clock this evening, Tuesday evening, the temperature in Dallas would be 46 and Abilene would be 50. However, that's not what's happening. What's happening at 7 o'clock is it's freezing in Dallas, 32, and it's 30 in Abilene. 14, 15 degrees or more difference in the actual air forecast temperature. Now, that may not seem like a big deal, but it is, because so the computers are forecasting off of their wrong information. They think it's in the 40s. It's not. It's at freezing. And of course, if you get any type of precipitation up here, instead of a cold rain, it's ice, sleet, or snow, and causing all the problems that come along with that type of weather. So what does that mean for Houston? Well, these same models are forecasting temperatures in the 50s, 40s, and 30s as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday here in Houston. But I am concerned that those models are too warm. And if they are, some of the cold rain that the models are forecasting could actually be sleet or freezing rain as we head into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So let's go over all of the forecast as it stands right now, but understand there's a larger amount of certainty in this forecast than normal. This evening, I think we got this. We're dropping from the 60s into the 50s. The leading edge of the colder air is moving through southeast Texas and Houston right now, tonight, and it should push off the coast by tomorrow morning. Models were suggesting we might go as high as 70 on Wednesday. That's not going to happen. We're going to stay in the 50s. That cold air is coming in and it's not going to budge. So it's 50s and rainy, 30 to 40% rain chance, off and on all day tomorrow. It's not a complete washout, but there'll be rain showers around, most of it light rain. Current temps. So we're still 68 at Bush. It's 51 College Station. You can see the leading edge of the cold air is just pushing into northwest Harris County on this early Tuesday evening, and it will make it all the way to the coast. Here's the big picture. The leading edge of the bitter cold Arctic air has come right into Texas. Actually, it's dipped down all the way almost to San Antonio, where they're dropping into the 60s there. Dallas is freezing. Oak City is 20. Dodge City is 13. Here's the way the cold air is going to move across our area tonight. The frontal boundary, I've drawn it as stationary because it's moving so slow, should push off into the Gulf as we head into the morning, 8 a.m., which will put us in the 40s and 50s Wednesday morning with light rain and drizzle kind of off and on all over the place. And then it will stay that way, light rain and drizzle off and on all day for Houston. This is 4:30 tomorrow afternoon. There's your light rain and drizzle reaching all the way up to Dallas. And I'm concerned that temps up in this zone, Austin to Dallas, Waco, computer thinks you're above freezing, but actual air temperatures, I'm concerned, may actually be closer to freezing here, which could cause some travel problems. I-45, you get up toward Corsicana, Austin up to Dallas. We'll be watching that. We go into Thursday afternoon. It's even more rain. Light, but some pockets of moderate, maybe even a thunderstorm, central Texas moving into Houston as we head deeper into Thursday afternoon. Friday looks like we get a break, maybe a few showers early in the morning Friday, then by Friday afternoon it's just cold. I think we're 40s and 30s on Friday. So Saturday's interesting. This is light rain around the Houston area. This is sleet and freezing rain south of Dallas. That's snow, Dallas up to Oklahoma City. Now remember, the computer model thinks it's going to be above freezing Austin to Houston on Saturday. But as we've seen, at least today, it is under forecasting how cold that air is. And I'm concerned that this area, Houston included, could see temperatures closer to freezing on Saturday. And if that happens, instead of cold, light rain, we could get cold, light, freezing rain. And that could cause a lot of problems. So we'll be watching and be on weather watch together as we head through Saturday. Sunday we get a break, and then Monday, computers are forecasting a vigorous coastal low to form down here. That would sling moisture up and over the cold air at the surface. That would be sleet and snow from Corpus to Houston on Monday. That would be all snow, Austin, Dallas to Shreveport. It's one of the more interesting forecasts you'll see for Houston and southeast Texas. And again, larger than normal amount of uncertainty in these forecasts, but this is the way we stand right now. And this is an interesting 7-day to say the least. So Wednesday's chilly, rainy 50s. Thursday's even more rainy, 40s and 50s. Friday I've got low to mid 40s all day, northeast wind at 20. Saturday, it's a slight chance for light rain, but if it is cold enough, we could see some of the rain turn over to ice. I've got us in the 30s. At the moment I'm keeping us above freezing, but that's based on, I'm kind of splitting the difference between some of the warmer and colder computer models. There's just a lot of uncertainty in how cold it's actually going to be on Saturday. That'll be a day to watch carefully. Sunday, I think, is just cold. Monday, it's at least a 40% chance for sleet or snow with 20s and 30s all day. Just a bitter cold winter day. Tuesday, still cold, 24 in the morning. Maybe we'd hit 41. Now, these lows, 28, 26, 24, especially 26, 24, you would want to make sure irrigation pipes are wrapped, backflow pipes for your sprinkler system are wrapped, because they'll break. That PVC will crack when it gets into the 20s. And up north, it would not surprise me if we dropped into the upper teens, Conroe to Huntsville, especially going into Tuesday morning. And you would want to make sure your house pipes, you know, the faucets outside and whatnot are protected you can wrap them with a blanket, you can tape them up. They sell stuff at Home Depot. You can put a cover over that outside faucet, because that may get cold enough, especially north of I-10, north of Highway 105 in particular, to cause some problems with the pipes. The pets, the plants, and the people go without saying. They all need a food and shelter and a warm place to go. So this forecast will be in flux. Here's where we stand right now. Models are going to update, and we'll have the latest for you on the TV side. KHOU 11 News at 10 live tonight. We'll see you then.